Welcome students. Today we are going to start a new poem, Beauty. Hello children, I am Vikas sir. In this video we will learn a very simple and beautiful poem of class 6, Beauty by E.H. Shaw. Children, what is beauty according to you? Is it something which is very pleasant to your eyes or nice to hear or nice to taste? According to me, beauty is something which makes you happy and blissful. It can be anything or anyone like nature is beautiful, mother is beautiful, isn't it? Beauty is everywhere and in everyone. This is the same opinion which the poet reflects in the poem Beauty. Let's see the poem. Beauty is seen in the sunlight, the trees, the birds, corn growing, and people working or dancing for their harvest. So the poet says that the beauty is everywhere in the nature. It is in the sunlight, in the trees, in the birds, even in the corn growing in the field, and people working there and dancing happily when their crop is ready. Harvest means the time of the year when the crop is ready. To summarize, beauty is everywhere. It can be seen in the sunlight, trees, birds, in the field, in growing crops, in the people who work hard day and night and rejoice when their hard work bore fruits. They dance in happiness when their crops are ready. Beauty is in every corner of nature. Beauty is heard in the night, wind sighing, rain falling, or a singer chanting, anything in earnest. So the poet says that beauty is not only seen but it can be heard as well. In the night, when the wind makes a soft sound, it can be heard in the rain falling, in the droplets when they make falling sound, or a singer chanting means singer singing and anything earnest. Earnest means sincere and honest conviction. When a singer sings honestly, happily, with determination. To summarize, beauty can not only be seen but it can be felt and heard as well. It can be heard at night when the wind blows, making a soothing, humming sound. It can be heard in the drops of rain when they fall on the earth. It can be heard in the song of a singer singing a deep, meaningful, and soulful song. Beauty is in yourself. Good deeds, happy thoughts that repeat themselves in your dreams, in your work, and even in your rest. So the poet says that beauty is not just outer, it is in inner also. It is within person also. It is in good deeds. Good deeds means good acts. So the beauty is in good work. It is in happy thoughts. It is in your thoughts also. These thoughts which keep repeating in our dreams, in our works, and even in rest state, then also beauty is there. To summarize, Beauty is not always what you can see outside, it is within yourself. Every person is and can be beautiful by doing good works, and beauty in one's happy thought which keep repeating. Hence, beauty is everywhere and in everyone. We just need to feel it, see it, hear it, and repeat it, and make our and everyone's life beautiful and blissful. Let's see some question answers. Question: what is beauty according to you? According to me, beauty is what fills your heart with happiness. It can be seen, heard, and felt. Beauty is everywhere. It can be in nature, in a person, in an object, or even in the food that we eat, also in our deeds. Now move to next question. The poet says beauty is heard in. Can you hear beauty? Add a sound that you think is beautiful to the sounds the poet thinks are beautiful. The poet Keats said, heard melodies are sweet, but those unheard are sweeter. What do you think this means? Have you ever heard a song in your head long after the song was sung or played? Answer. We find the melodies, notes of cuckoo, or even nightingale very pleasing to the ears. But the pleasure is still incomplete. We have models of perfect beauty in our imagination, and we wait anxiously to hear our beloved's voice and chanting of prayers in holy places. We all look for perfection. A poetic phrase, idea, or expression haunts us all through life. Question number 2. Read the first and the second stanza of the poem again. Note the following phrases: corn growing, people working or dancing, wind sighing, rain falling, a singer chanting. These could be written as corn that is growing, people who are working or dancing. Can you rewrite the other phrases like this? Why do you think the poet uses the shorter phrases? Answer. Yes, a few other phrases have been shortened in the poem. For example, stream flowing, baby crying, etc. I think the poet uses the shorter phrases for creating the musical effect. Question number 2. According to the poet, where we can find beauty? Answer. According to the poet, beauty is everywhere. It is in the sunlight, trees, birds, corn growing, people working, rain falling, or a singer chanting. It is in good deeds, happy thoughts, in work, in dreams, and even in rest. Okay, students, thank you.